Prepare a small knife or scissors. Cut the rope that secures the outer packaging. Cut the transparent tape. Take out the accessory kit. Display of contents in the accessory kit. 1. Instruction manual. 2. Slotted screwdriver, crosshead screwdriver. 3. 3-in-1 hex key tool. 4. Bicycle bell. 5. Quick release. 6. Hex key tool. 7. Tool kit. 8. Charger. 9. Pedals. 10. Bike pump. 11. Assembly wrench. 12. Derailleur guard. Remove the fixed protective straps from the bike frame. Cut off the fixed zip ties. Take off the fender and wheel. Peel off the frame protective film. Handlebar installation. Use a hex key to loosen the stem fixing bolts. Note: please first rotate the handlebar 180 degrees. This is very important. Adjust the stem slightly to make it straight. Then tighten the screws. Unscrew the fixing screws on the handlebar. Remove the fixed cover of the horizontal handlebar. Install the horizontal handlebar. Attach the handlebar and secure it with the 4 screws. Set the handlebar to the desired angle before fully tightening it. After adjustment, tighten the handlebar screws. Install the front wheel. Remove the screws from the front fork fixing rod. Before fitting the front wheel, take off the axle bolts in the order demonstrated in the video and set them aside. Insert the axle into the wheel, then reinstall washers and bolts in the order shown in the video. Lift the front fork of the bike and install the wheel. Insert the brake pads into the gap of caliper. Install washers into fork grooves and tighten bolts per the video. Install the other side in the same way. Tighten and lock the axle bolt. Install the front fender and headlight. Use a hex key to remove the fork's fender mounting bolts. Position the fender for installation. Pass the bolts through the headlight holder and fender, then tighten them securely. Remove the fender bracket fixing bolts. Attach the bracket to the front fork and fasten it with bolts. Install the other side in the same way. Installation the seat post. Open the seat post clamp, then insert the seat post into the frame. Tighten the seat post clamp. Install the cargo rack. Loosen the rear fender fixing bolts. Loosen the cargo rack fixing bolts on the frame. Pass the fender bolts through the cargo rack. Add washers and connect the frame to the fender. Tighten the bolts. Connect the cargo rack to the frame and tighten firmly. Install the other side in the same way. Loosen the fender bracket bolts. Connect the bracket to the frame and tighten securely. Install the other side in the same way. Install the tail light. Remove the tail light fixing bolts. Mount the tail light on the cargo rack and secure with bolts. Install the derailleur guard. Loosen the rear axle fixing bolts. Insert the guard into the gap of the bolts. Adjust to the proper position. Then tighten the rear axle fixing bolts securely. Install the pedals. Pay attention to distinguishing between left and right pedals. Install according to the markings on the pedals. Tighten the right pedal by turning it counterclockwise. Install the other side in the same way. Power on, and you're ready to ride. One reminder. 1. Check the brake system. While squeezing the brakes, push the bicycle forward. If the bike stops promptly, the brakes are working properly. 2. Test the shifting system. Lower the kickstand to lift the rear wheel off the ground. Press the shift levers while rotating the pedals clockwise. Make sure each gear shifts smoothly from the smallest to the largest. If the shifting is smooth, the system is in good condition. 3. Test the electronic control system. Ensure the battery is installed correctly. Press and hold the power button to see if the display turns on. With the rear wheel still off the ground, Rotate the pedals clockwise to see if the motor engages for assistance. If you hear the motor running, the electronic control system is working correctly. After completing all these checks, you're ready to start your enjoyable ride. Ride safe